Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening YouTube and making sure you are signed into the account that has the search entries you want removed. Once signed in, tap your profile icon, then choose your data in YouTube or directly open history. You need to specifically select search history so you target queries rather than watched videos. This step is essential because YouTube separates watch history from search history. Make sure you're in the search history view before moving to deletion options. Now that you're in search history, decide whether to clear everything or remove specific queries. To delete individually, tap the X or 3 dots beside each search and confirm deletion. If you want a complete reset, choose Clear All Search History or use Delete Activity by to pick a time range, like last hour or all time. Once done, YouTube will stop using those searches to refine suggestions. Expect recommendation changes and give the system a little time to adjust. Finish by pausing search history so new queries won't be recorded if you want ongoing privacy. Tap Pause Search History and verify that the toggle is active. Then test by performing a new search and observing whether earlier suggestions reappear. Also check your recommendations to confirm changes. If deleted items still show up, sign out and back in, clear your browser cache, or repeat the deletion on the mobile app. That troubleshooting step usually resolves syncing delays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.